Welcome to 4alarmclocks.com. Today we're looking at the Infinity Instruments metal antique style Mantle alarm clock in Boutique Red. Infinity Instruments Boutique Red Mantle alarm clock has been a principal item for the Infinity line of products for over 15 years. This old-fashioned clock has an attractive design that fits wonderfully in any room or on any night table. It comes with a loud ringing bell alarm that will wake up even the deepest sleepers in your home. This clock is very well made. It's all metal, has real glass, and is built to last a lifetime. It even has a felt bottom so it will not hurt your furniture. The clock also has large luminous hands, real glass lens, old-fashioned bell alarm, antique almond style face, extra large second hand 12-minute line markers, bold dot hours, simple setting controls, and now we're going to let you hear the alarm.